Yeah, so I was unboxing my Vector 5 and I went on live on my page, and I know you can't really cover everything, but now I got parts, right here, everywhere on the tiles for the Vector 5, all the upgrade parts. That's the Vector 5 right there, buddy. All right, guys, look at it. It's big, it's massive. All right, so all these parts, JS Performance. I got the Vertigo. Look at that, the upper link mount in the rear. It goes right. You see where this part is? I don't know if you can see it in the camera, right there. So that's this the part that goes in there. Yeah, so this the upgrade, and all these I'll tell you, I'll show you guys later, but just a quick video. Look at that Vertigo, the batteries, and look at that, new tires and everything. That's the mouse pad from DDM. All right, this thing I still got unboxed, the carrying case for the Futaba 7 PXR. They don't have the carrying case in stock for the 7 PXR, so I end up buying this from Futaba, and let's see how. But I got it's loaded with the parts. Okay, so this right here is a carbon fiber mud guard for the Vector 5. It's pretty big. Look at that. It's like an iPad if you're holding an iPad. All right, so right there it's a mud. Okay, let me just zoom in right there. Okay, so let me focus it. Mud guard carbon fiber for the Vector 5. Look at that. Yeah, the lights right there next to the upgrade parts. So I told you guys before about the Mad Max on-road set, the Mad Max giant grip right there, and the billet DDM alloy wheels for these tires. Let me make sure I don't lose anything else there. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay, I got my right here. So I'm gonna put my Futaba carrying case bag up on the top here, and yeah, so this is the zip right here. You know, the space here in the suitcase, it was tight, and all these tires came up from this suitcase, and all these parts, and the 7 PXR, and the dynamite starter box, the parts right here. So yeah, all right, so here's a carrying case. I'm gonna open it. Boom, voila, more parts. Okay, so I told you about the dynamite kill switch I have down here, fail safe switch, and I got another one from Killer RC. So now I got two. Okay, this is very good part right here. This is the electronic switch for my Vector 5, and it's from Protect. Okay, so keep going. Okay, so this is something interesting right here. This the billet, the Diff cover. So they gave me one. You hear the sound? It's alloy. Okay, so they gave me one in a plastic right there. But to upgrade it, this part right here, I got the Turtle Racing. See? This right here is an upgrade part. It's just coming out right now from a plastic bag, and yeah, this is the upgrade part. Like the one from Vertigo, the steering, I mean the bell crank, the upper steering bell crank brace right here. Look at that, it's big, it's huge. All right, so all these parts I already told you. Go on my page, go on my large scale RC PK page. It's in there. Let's just keep unboxing. Okay, so I got a pre-filter already. I showed you about okay, so I got this outerwear set, shock wears, and the pre-filter air filter set, and another for my Kraken Vector 5. So this right here is another one in green. And then I got the G320 engine, the bottom end outerwear, so keep the engine safe from all the dust and debris and the rocks and whatnot when you go off-roading. So yeah, right there. Okay. Oh man, I gotta sit on the chair. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so this is some good part right here. This is the light set. Look at that, it's big, it's huge for the Kraken. This is the one that I wanted for my, I had those other light options, but this is the LED. I don't know if you can focus. I'll show you, hold on. Right there, LED light for the Kraken Vector 5. I bought it. You can put it on Losi 5T if you like. The Losi 5T body shell is big, it's huge, but look at that. Big body light right here. Alright, so put it down there. Okay, so unboxing still. Look at that. That's the brace, the chassis brace from the Turtle Racing, and it's the Kraken, for the Kraken chassis brace from the Turtle Racing. Put it down there. Okay, so this is for my killer RC switch failsafe, or the LED light, the one in green. Okay, so another receipt, put it down there. Another receipt, put it down there. Another receipt, put it down there. Alright, so carry on with my unboxing. Okay, so this is the 4-way splitter cable for my lights. This is the Y, I guess. No, this is the Team Fast Addy thread lock. It's supposed to be big, look. This one is the blue one, I guess. Yeah, it says blue right there. Okay, so alright, so this is some good part right here from Futaba, and I wanted it for my lights. This is the light control switch, and that's what it says right there, channel power switch. And you must have this when you have lights in your RC. Man, I've been unboxing from last 1 hour, and alhamdulillah, so many parts I have. Look at that, it's huge. I mean, it's the model is huge. The parts are all over the place, so I'm lacking on the space. By the way, I'm doing it in my house. My hobby room is under construction, so. Alright, another DDM sticker. Throw it in the collection right there. Another DDM candy, and I'm gonna put it down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 orders, 6 candies. Alright, so this is the Y split cable. I needed one. Okay. Keep going. Alright, this is the screw set M6 by 10 millimeter. This is for the Baja. Okay, so this is the brake line for the FG, the 530 chassis I have with the Audi body, and I was missing my brake line. My brake line was damaged and I needed a new one. So here I have, alhamdulillah. This the wheel, not the wheel. It's the engine washers that I needed. When you put on your FG engine, you use these washers. I bought 2 sets right there. Okay, another DDM sticker. Not bad. Okay, so here I have the gasket for the carburetor. How many I have? I must have 3, I guess. It says 2 in there. Okay, right there. Okay, so this the belt crank, the fuel filter, and it's full. I got like 4 of them. See, it says right there. Okay, another plug. Then I got the spacer, the carburetor spacer from Zenova. Oh, I got my battery for my Baja. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Another candy. It's tired right now. Okay, so this the battery for my 7PXR. So this one is from Killer RC and it's 6.6 and it's a 23 milliampere. It goes in the battery collection, and another receipt here, another sticker here. All right, so keep going. Okay, so this right here is the cap, the fuel tank cap in blue from DDM, and it's alloy. And right there it's a skull. Okay, hold on. Oh no, it's blurriness. Put just down there. Skull gas cap, blue. So right there. So, man, this is the one for my. Man, I thought these were supposed to be big. So this is the wrench set from MIP, made in USA. Man, I thought these were supposed to be big. Look at that, it's tiny miny. But you can use them. It's a drill bit, and you put it in, you know, the machine you have, the drill machine. All right, so air filter oil from DDM. Okay, so this the Pro Tag for my nitro. Okay, let me put my nitro pots here behind me. All right, so another thing right here. So what is this? This is the panels for the Kraken Vector 5. See these panels from Full Force. So this right here is a windshield for the Kraken Vector 5. See the photo there? It says windshield on it. Oh, I got a red thread lock. So what's in the bag? Okay, so I got this battery for the nitro, and battery for the nitro from Protect. Okay, this one is for my what do you call you know what, zoom in. Yeah, this is for the nitro too. I bought 2 of them. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, so 2 batteries. Here I have Protect stickers. What we got here again? Alright, so this right here is the glow igniter for the nitro. The True Torque. This is the multi wrench. What we got here? So seal all. You must have this in your hobby room. And then you got the after run for the nitro. I don't know, you can't even see that. Right. I don't know, I got so much stuff here. This one is from Huddy. It's a air filter oil for my nitro. Some more parts in there. I'm gonna keep this. I bought this for the Vekta 5. It's a body protection. Okay, so guys, again, thank you so much, and get back to you guys. Thank you. By the way, I still got unboxed that 7PXR, and that's a surprise right there. Bye bye.